It's 2015 30 September, and we are here with the trade of the day, which today is in the E-mini. It's a little bit of a hard trade to see, at least in some respects, but it's a pretty successful trade. It's a $900 or a little bit better than that trade per contract. Start over here with the 30-minute bar. As you can see, the market starts out well up from where it closed yesterday. It comes down to yesterday's high, where it does a little trampoline act. I drew in this line, this arrow, for time reference. There's here and here. This bar is colored by the software, but it is going to be colored after it's time to get into the trade, so you don't really get that other than as a confirmation. Here we have the trend line coming down. We have the red bar and a kind of pinkish bar with a blue candle frame on it, which shows us that we have a critical mass formed. So we're ready to think about trading at this bar here, but we should look at this chart and see what's going on here. And remember, this is a different set of indicators that puts the arrows and puts the colors in the bar. Here we get the same critical mass forming, and we see that we're at a bit of oversold here, but the oversold has come and gone here, and you see the same sort of structure on the middle chart. So you kind of have your choice of buying the high plus one tick or buying when it goes through the trend line. And I suppose I could draw another trend line from here, but I don't really believe that that's an effective way to trade trend lines from yesterday into today. So I'm going to take that back out. That's easy. Okay, so you're in the trade. Why would you stay in the trade? Well, this guy stays blue, this guy quickly gets green, and this guy gets to neutral as good as it's able to do. Over here, I've done this standard, what I consider to be the standard measuring trick, which is the distance of the first wave up, and then set the bar here at the bottom of the second wave, which gives me an estimate up here. We don't quite make that estimate. What we do get, you see we get blue triangles here, and then we get, in addition to blue triangles here, we get the double square that's gold colored here. And even if you don't have that, you just look at this bar, it looks like you've got some risk in the market, and you've been in there for a while. Take your profits, go home, collect your 900 or so, and call it good, which is what we're going to do with this trade. We will see you tomorrow when we may have a better trade or a worse trade. See you October 1.